Where to boondock? For those unfamiliar with boondocking, also known as dry camping, it's an exciting way to experience the outdoors and save on camping fees. Discover the ultimate solution for a hassle-free overnight camping experience. In a world where traditional campgrounds are often overcrowded, boondocking involves setting up camp without electricity, water, or sewer hookups, requiring know-how for a safe, legal, and comfortable camping experience. Please note that boondocking is subject to local laws, and it's crucial to be aware of regulations before embarking on your adventure. RV boondocking has changed a lot recently, with solar power, RV batteries, portable power stations, and water makers. You can boondock anywhere, in cities, at truck stops, in Walmart parking lots, in national forests, visitor centers, and a variety of other places. Here are several resources and ideas on where you can boondock. Boondockers Welcome is a community-driven camping solution for RVers built by RVers. It's owned by Harvest Holds. It offers members overnight camping with no fees at over 3,200 host locations across North America. Say goodbye to crowded campgrounds and hello to a network designed for you. BLM Land, the Bureau of Land Management. You can stay up to 14 days. Dispersed campsites are available along many smaller roads and may not be clearly labeled. If you can please use existing sites to avoid creating new disturbances, that would be helpful. To protect the environment, campers must not leave any trash, dangerous materials, sewage, or pollute the surrounding area. Make sure to check with the campground's website or call the appropriate field office when planning your trip. Most BLM campgrounds require a fee to use the campground. Fee sites vary in price. Please check with campground's website or call the local field office for details. Camping stay limits vary by location, but are generally about 2 weeks within a month period. Due to adverse weather, many campgrounds are only seasonally available. Make sure to check if the campground is open before you're planning your trip. National forests. You can camp almost anywhere in a national forest unless there are signs that say otherwise. Most of the land in the national forest is available for camping for free, which is called dispersed camping. You can camp on the side of major roads or follow forest access roads, often made of gravel and dirt, to find more secluded sites. City and county parks. Double check the city and state and their local ordinances to make sure camping is allowed. Cracker Barrel. If you're looking for an affordable and unusual way to boondock, here's a secret. Many Cracker Barrels allow overnight stays, but before you arrive, check with the manager to make sure it's allowed. It's also a good idea to look for any city rules that may prevent it. Keep an eye out for signs outside. They sometimes say no overnight camping. Even at Cracker Barrel, not everyone is on board, so it's important to be careful. When you set up your camp, respect is the key. Don't use your awning, fire pit, or chairs without permission. Be considerate of the grounds you're on. If you need to extend your slide for practical reasons like accessing your refrigerator or bathroom, let the management know. Park thoughtfully to avoid taking up too much space. Travel smart, travel respectively, and enjoy your journey. Big stores like Costco, BJ's, and Sam's Club are more than just shopping destinations. Their large, well-lit parking lots can be your next RV stop. Costco, in particular, often welcomes RV overnighting, but it's important to confirm with the management first. Remember, it's about respecting space, not setting up camp. Bass Pro Shops and Cabela also are popular choices, boasting vast parking lots and exciting stores. However, again, it's a good idea to check with the management, as some Cabelas have changed their RV policies. Truck stops with RV parking spaces are great options for overnight stays without taking up spots reserved for truckers. Pilot Flying J and Loves are improving their services for RV enthusiasts. They now provide facilities like hookups, showers, laundromats, and pet-friendly areas, all available for a fee. Additionally, certain rest areas offer RV spots with hookups at reasonable prices. Big churches and shopping centers are usually welcome to RVs. Simply contact the appropriate officials to confirm. County fairgrounds offer spacious camping, sometimes with hookups for a minimal fee. Although vast parking lots of casinos may seem like a good option, city laws may restrict overnight stays. Ski resorts and snow parks are a great option for free RV overnight stays in both winter and summer. Public golf course parking lots are available during the off-season, and Harvest Host members can access over 450 golf course sites during the season. Home improvement stores like Home Depot and Lowe's and Tractor Supply are welcoming to RVs. If you arrive after 8 p.m., you may find it easier to park your RV. Always confirm with the manager as rules may change. Fitness centers like Anytime Fitness, Planet Fitness are not just for workouts. Many RVers use them for overnight camping, providing showers and parking. Elks Lodges offer designated parking spots for RVers across the country. However, these parking spots are only available to Elks Club members and they may charge a fee. Found these tips valuable, and please hit the subscribe button and show some love with a like. And that's how you can take your camping experience to the next level.